Hey everyone, and welcome back to another Stock Lock Sunday. Last week we looked at this one, the 1.5" 38mm high security solid brass padlock from Ace, and it put up one hell of a good fight. I was really surprised by it. I played a lot of spool ping pong, and well, this week I'm expecting a little bit more of the same because we're looking at its little bit bigger brother, the 48mm or 1 7/8. So there we go. Let's go ahead and pan down here. We'll grab the knife. Go ahead and cut that bad boy open. All right. And this one, last one was a 5-pin, so we're looking at a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-pin again. And I'm expecting spools and serrateds and a really fun pick. So let's go ahead and get that. And you know what? Let's go ahead and put it in the vise because those last two locks really made my hand cramp up. Let's try to avoid that on this one. Okay, so back to the 40 thousandths pry bar again. I guess I don't need that out anymore. I'll put those up. And I'm going to use the same pick that I got the last one on, which is my copy of the Sparrow's Reach with a blue jean handle. Okay, that was 1. 2 put me straight away into a false set. Nothing on 3. 4 is give me a good counter. And so is 5. So let's go back to 1. Nothing. 2. Nothing. 3. Nothing. Yeah, my best counter rotation is in 4. Okay. So let's come back to 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's try that again. Yeah, which ones are really giving me my best counter rotation? Yeah, definitely that one. There we go. Got it set. Getting strong counter rotation here now. I'm just trying to walk it in place, and it doesn't want to go. Okay, it went into place, I think. Okay, I've got my false set still. Now 5 is giving me a good counter rotation. Gotta be super careful right at the break point. Alright, wound up dropping something there. Let me go to a little bit thinner pick. Let's go to one that's in 20 thousandths. Pretty much the same profile. There we go. Yeah, my other pick was just rubbing on the warding just a little bit, and it was deadening my feel. But, you know, After picking so many of these, I think I might be getting used to them as far as what to expect, but that still has some nice feel to it. I'm not sure if these are actually shimmable now that I look at them. They got the locking paw design, but that's a pretty tight seal around there, so I don't think you'll be able to get a shim in there. And our bidding, once again, not the greatest, but I've seen way worse. But when I grabbed these, I wasn't looking specifically for the best bidding. I just grabbed them off the shelf and went to the cash register. There we go. Beautiful little lock. I think it'll look good sitting on my shelf. Anyway, that's the 1 7/8" 48mm high security Ace padlock. Brass body with the hardened steel shackle. Not a bad little lock. Anyway, folks, please stay safe. Don't do anything illegal. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And next week, we're looking at the last of the Ace padlocks. It's the 2 3/8" 60mm big honking mama right here. So we'll look forward to that next week. So everybody, stay safe, stay legal, and if you see a lock in the wild and it's not yours, you don't have the keys for it, and you got pics on your person, and you might feel like you want to be breaking into it, you know what, just don't, because that's illegal, and if I catch you doing that, you'll definitely be getting the cops called on you.